guys? It's your boy MagicsedgeTV here. Pretty cool trick for you guys here tonight. We're doing another escape, and as you guys know, the buried alive was supposed to be next. However, the buried alive, it's going to take some time. Probably a lot longer than I ever expected, but we got this escape. This escape is a bit safer, and it's called the dog cage. As you guys can see, this is a ordinary dog cage. You got the front doors with these latches. The latches slide like that, and then they lock. Inside, 100% normal. You got the roof, thin walls, and back here. Absolutely no way to escape. Also, keep showing the cage, brother. Showing around. Okay. Also, we have 2 padlocks with 1 key. As you can see, key controls both. This one here is a sticky padlock, but controls both padlocks. Okay, so what's going to happen here, let me demonstrate. Lift the phone up. So these sliders here slide in like that. So the door closes, slides in through the loop, closes like that. Same thing, slides in, closes. Then what we're going to do, and Kelsey, what you really got to work on, slide that back that way even a little bit. We're going to take the padlock like this. One padlock goes on. Come down here, padlock, make sure it's looped into both. Padlock goes on. Lock, lock. So from back here, you can see there's no way of opening this cage once the padlocks are on. Kelsey is going to have this key. This is the only key for these padlocks. So she's going to have that key. No way for me to get these unless I pick them, and I don't have any picking materials. So, and the only other way to get these padlocks off is key in, padlock off. Same thing, key in, padlock off. And then to actually physically open the door. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to enter the cage, and then we're going to make our escape. So Kelsey, for the time being, is going to lay the phone over here, and then I'm going to get in, she's going to lock, then she will grab the phone, come back, I will show you guys that it's locked. She will then lay the phone back over there. She will then proceed to take the blanket, throw over the top of the cage. So from back here, we have the blanket. Come back here, Kelsey. And you stand roughly where I'm to, and then fill in the cage. Just demonstrate how the blanket's going to go. You have the cage, you have your blanket. You have your cage, you have your blanket. The blanket goes over the cage. That's it. And that is how we're going to proceed to do this. So the phone is going to stay there. I'm going to proceed to get into the cage. Kelsey's then going to lock the cage, show you that it is locked. see, come over right here to the lock. She's locked. Down here, she's locked. I have no way through the door. The key is right there in her hand. I have no way through the door. I have no way through the wall on this side. I have no way through the wall behind me. I have no way through the wall on the back. So she's gonna go ahead, lay the phone over there. Then she's gonna proceed to take the blanket and throw it onto the cage. Camera's gonna stay on me at all times.
Now, stay. Don't move. Bastard. Stay.
Can't lock a dog away. Zip, peace.